What's up, everybody? This is Leon, and today we're going to be looking at the issue where you're logged into Zoom. You can see everybody, everybody can see you, you can hear everybody, but no one can hear you because your microphone's not working properly. Now, I am doing this voiceover in post edit, so I'm actually talking through the steps after the fact, just because I wanted you guys to see what all was involved in when the sound's not working. So here we're in Zoom, and we're gonna create a meeting. Now when it opens up, Zoom will tell you that it failed to detect the microphone and that you want to make sure that it's connected properly. So we'll go through those steps. What we want to do is we want to test the speakers in the microphone. We want to click that link. But just to be sure, let's click join audio just to make sure it's not going to connect. And you see it doesn't. So we'll go ahead and test the speakers. It'll test your speakers first. And the speakers aren't the problem, right? Because you can hear everyone. So click on there. And there's the speaker test. Just click yes, you can hear your speakers. Okay, I got 3 microphones, so it goes through the first microphone. You see that's my USB microphone. That's the one I actually want. But I'm talking and I can't see that input level going up at the bottom. So I'm going to click no on this. And I apologize for the truck in the background. The second microphone is my webcam microphone. And that one's not getting any input as I'm talking either. So I click no on that. So then I get my system microphone, and it's the same as the system. I'm talking, no input, so I gotta click no on that. So something's going on. It sees my 3 microphones, but none of them, I'm not able to talk on them. Now at this point, you can click join audio by phone, and you can, if you don't feel like dealing with anything, you click that, you put in your meeting ID, and you put your participant ID on your cell phone as joining Zoom on your cell phone, and you can do it that way. But that's not what we want to do. We want our computer audio working, right? Because we might need to use our phone for something. So we'll X off of here, and we'll maximize this to see what it looks like when you're in there. You see that red exclamation at the top right. You want to try to join your audio. It's not going to work. So you just want to, you don't need to check the speakers again. Just go to that arrow at the top right of the audio symbol. Go to that arrow at the top right just to make sure it actually sees your microphones again, and the one you want is checked off, and it is. So now we need to move along to what the issue really is. So what we want to do is we'll want to go to our search bar down below, and we'll be heading there in a minute. We'll go to our search bar and type sound. And once the sound window comes up, it'll show you your default microphone and speaker settings. We don't need to worry about those here. We're not going to do anything with that. What we want to do is go to the right of our screen and click on microphone privacy settings. Now, click there, and we want to go to allow apps to access your microphone. Okay, since it's off, all of the applications that are below are ticked off as well. So what we want to do is we want to click that on, and now you can see everything is turned off. And now you can hear me recording. So that's how you turn your application sound settings on. I know we were working through Zoom, but I'm recording with OBS, and as you can see, you can now hear me. You might have heard I did a voiceover for the beginning part of this video because I really want to go through it without I really want to go through all the settings, and I want you to see what's going on when it's actually not working. So as you can see, you got all these apps, and you can choose which ones you can keep or which ones you want your microphone to access and which ones you don't. Down here you have a list of all the applications that have accessed your microphone. So for all those who are worried about your microphone being on and not ever knowing who or what has accessed your phone, you can or access your microphone, you can look through here and it tells you the date and time that it was last accessed. And as you can see, I've been looking at a few things and working with a few things here, but it says last access for Zoom was 10/24 because I was working on this video trying to make sure I had everything right for you guys. And right now and currently OBS is the only thing that's using the microphone. So let's take a look back at Zoom again. Let's go back to the Zoom. And as you can see, we still got the yellow, the little dot down there, and we want to make sure our microphone is selected. Yes, it is. So we will access computer audio. And now we will join the audio. And after that, you want to make sure you're not muted. Right now it's muted. So I'm going to uncheck that. And look at that. We have the little green line. You see that green line going up and down there? That shows that your microphone is working. Okay, your microphone is working. And when we go back to our settings over here, we see that Zoom is also currently in use on the microphone settings. And that's pretty much it. You go into your sound settings, go to microphone privacy settings, and you make sure you allow apps to access your microphone. That's all I have for you today. If this video helped you out at all, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and hit that notifications bell if you want to be updated as to when I put out a new video. Until then, may the Lord bless you and keep you. Peace out.